In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the Nordvpn Firefox extension. Whether you're looking to protect your online privacy or browse securely on public Wi-Fi, adding a VPN extension to your browser is a great step. So let's dive in and make sure you're surfing the web with an added layer of security. First things first, open up Firefox on your computer. Once you've got your browser up and running, head straight to the Firefox add-ons page. This page is essentially a treasure trove of useful tools, and it's where we'll find the Nordvpn extension. Next, use the search bar to type in NordVPN. As soon as you see the NordVPN extension appear in the search results, go ahead and click Add to Firefox. This will initiate the installation process. Firefox might prompt you to allow NordVPN to run in private windows as well. It's a good idea to hit Allow, ensuring you're protected even when you're browsing privately. With the extension successfully added, you should see a NordVPN icon at the top right corner of your browser. This icon is your gateway to a more secure internet experience, so click on it. This will prompt you to log in with your NordVPN account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up on their website and then come back here to log in. Once logged in, you'll want to connect to a server. There are two easy ways to do this. First, there's the quick connect option, which is fantastic for those who want a fast connection without the hassle of choosing a specific server. Just click quick connect and you'll be automatically linked to the best available server based on your location. If you prefer to have a little more control, you can manually choose a server as well. Click on the search button in the extension to scout around the networks in different countries and select one that fits your needs. Perhaps you're accessing content that's geographically restricted or want a server closer to a specific region. After you've connected, the NordVPN icon in your browser will turn green. This green light is your confirmation that you're securely connected to the VPN server. For more reassurance, you can also check the connection status in the main window of the extension. Before you go, a quick but important note. Keep in mind that the NordVPN browser extension only secures your browser traffic. It doesn't protect all of your internet traffic like a desktop application would. So remember this if you want comprehensive protection across your entire device. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you now have the NordVPN extension installed on Firefox, ready to secure your browsing sessions. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your internet activities are now private and secure. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.